Right. Let's look at what's actually going on. The average UK SME uses somewhere between 12 and 30 marketing tools. CRM over here, email platform over there, a scheduling tool nobody quite remembers signing up for, and none of them talk to each other. According to Gartner, businesses use only 33% of their Martech stack, which means you're paying for 3 times what you actually need. And here's the one that should bother everyone in this room. 80% of UK businesses have no plan to adopt AI. Not a bad plan, no plan. That's the government's own data published this year. So, fragmentation, waste, and inertia. That's the environment most of your businesses are operating in. And the irony is, most of you already know this. You just haven't had time to fix it. So let's put a number on it. If you wanted to do marketing and sales operations properly in London, here's what you'd pay. A marketing coordinator, $28,000 to $45,000. A research consultant, part-time, $24,000 to $60,000. Content manager, $35,000 to $60,000. Someone doing outbound sales, $30,000 to $40,000. Add it up. That's $117,000 to £195,000 a year. 4 people, 4 salaries, 4 tools that don't sync with each other. And each one of them covers exactly one channel. That's not a marketing function. That's a collection of disconnected efforts dressed up as a team. This is what V8 built to replace that entire setup. It's called Axia, and it runs 24/7. 4 capabilities. Let me walk you through each one. First, sales intelligence. Axia reads every inbound email, classifies it, new lead, existing client, signal, or noise, and updates your CRM without anyone touching it. Every action item, every deadline, every follow-up tracked automatically. The kind of discipline that most businesses promise themselves on Monday and abandon by Wednesday. Second, market research. Not the kind that arrives in a PDF 3 weeks after you needed it. Continuous monitoring. Competitor activity, industry signals, prospect behavior, surfaced in real time, so you can act on things your competitors haven't noticed yet. Third, the content engine arriving soon. Blog posts, social content, email campaigns, written in your brand voice. Not the kind of generic AI content that reads like it was assembled by committee. Content that sounds like your team wrote it. Fourth, outreach. Multi-channel campaigns, prospect research, follow-up sequences. But here's the design principle that matters. Every outbound message, every pipeline move, every commercial action requires human approval before it executes. V8 doesn't trust AI with your client relationships unsupervised. Neither should you. That's why the approval gate exists and can't be switched off. 2 things you can verify. First, a client called Idy Barnes runs Idy Properties, bilingual property agent. Before V8, fewer than 100 views per video. After AI video production and audience analysis, over 1,000 views. But the real metric wasn't the views, it was the cross-discovery effect. People didn't just watch one video, they explored her entire profile. That's a system result, not a lucky post. Second, the build itself. Axia is a 30-module AI system. It was built in 27 days. For context, a conventional London agency would quote between $120,000 and $200,000 for comparable scope. The same build infrastructure is available for client projects. V8 calls it Scaffold. Client portals, internal dashboards, custom AI workflows, delivered in weeks, not months. 3 ways to solve this. Let me lay them out. Option 1, hire internally. $117,000 to $195,000 a year. 4 people, limited hours, still disconnected. Option 2, outsource. $48,000 to $240,000 a year. You get deliverables, but they live outside your CRM and your pipeline. Option 3, Axia. $18,000 a year. All 4 capabilities fully integrated, running around the clock. That's 12 to 15% of hiring the same capabilities internally. And if you need custom tools built, Scaffold delivers at $5 to $50,000 versus $40 to $250,000 from a traditional agency. Now, beyond the technology, there's a community behind all of this, and the person who built it is someone I think you should hear from directly. Let me hand over to Gina Cheng, the founder of V8 Nexus.
Thank you, Ellie. V8 Nexus is an invitation-only community for London's business leaders. We launched at iFast Global Bank in Canary Wharf with a keynote from Candy Lou at Microsoft. Over 30 executives, real conversations, not business card speed dating. Everything we do follows our real methodology. Research, evaluate, automate, long-lasting. And the principle behind Nexus is simple. Education before automation. Learn how to do marketing properly first. When you're ready to automate, the tools are there. Membership is free, no annual fee. We're shaping the next phase of the program now, and we want to make sure it's built around the challenges you're actually facing. Back to Ellie.
Right. Alan's referral asks 3 types of introduction he's looking for. 1. A professional services firm with 5 to 50 employees. Accountants, solicitors, consultants, architects. They know they should be doing more marketing. They don't have the team. 2. A property agent or developer spending on marketing, but unable to measure what's working. Bilingual English-Chinese capability is a bonus. 3. A business that needs a custom AI tool built. Client portal, dashboard, automated workflow. If someone's been quoted 6 figures and wondered whether there's a smarter way, Alan would like that conversation. One last thing, and this one is for everyone in this room. Alan is going to post a link in the comment area right now. You can click straight through, or scan the QR code on screen. It asks one question. What's the biggest challenge in your go-to-market strategy right now? Your answer shapes what gets programmed into the next Nexus session. Real problems, real solutions, real people who solve them. Takes 2 minutes. You'd be doing V8 a genuine favor. Share it with anyone who'd find it useful.